And you know what else, gang? Our wallet's gonna believe in it. We gotta. I've been harping on this for 4 years now. We've got to start a different regiment with whatever and get back to nature, natural stuff. And because these pharmaceuticals, they're licking their chops. They've been licking their chops. They say, man, oh man, look at all these boomers coming up here now, man. We're gonna make tons of money off these bastards. Yeah, anyway, and this vaccine thing out there, I don't know how the hell they're going to do that. That is going to be one hell of a mess, I think. You can't even vaccine probably 5-10 million people within a decent time frame. How the hell are you going to vaccinate almost 300 million? I don't know. It's none of my business. I'm just stuck in the middle with you, just like we all are, huh? Stuck in the middle with you. Anyway. What else are we gonna do here? Huh? Uh-oh. There they are. My boys. You love them. I love them. That's right. That is my boys. From Car 54, where are you? TV series that ran probably from 1955, 56 to maybe 62. Somewhere in there. I'm not certain, and it really doesn't matter. All I know is we had them, and as kids growing up, and we loved them. Officers Trudy and Muldoon, they're heading down to the donut shop. Right, guys? All right. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Check it in. Thank you. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe. Keep the mask on. There you go. Yeah. Oh, another place I got to shout out to was Parma. I think it's Parma. Parma. Parma, Italy. Thank you, Italy, for checking in. Thank you, Parma. And boy, that Italy, boy, I'm telling you, Italy's taking, of course, who isn't taking a hell of a knock right now with this COVID? Yeah, it's, can't stress enough, guys, the mask. I mean, you can harp on that all day, and I just hope it sinks in. Yep, this is nothing to joke around with, that's for sure. Anywho, we're going to be having some of our own stuff here, if you guys don't mind. And I got to get this out there for sure. The Twine Ball Bus Tours is shutting down for 4 weeks. Yeah, they run it in the winter. Sure, they'll run it in the winter as long as the roads are, passable, drivable. Twine Bus, Boomer's Twine Bus Tour Company, they said that after this 4-week shutdown we're going to have here for a while, and I believe it starts tonight. Yeah, so anyway, they're going to be up and running again, so check with my people down here at the studio and we'll get you some tickets out there. And I think they're $35 a piece. Yeah, well, why not? They're going to have some lights on the way. Everybody's got these light shows. I guess it's okay. I mean, I don't know. And then the state fair, they still can't push enough of their state fair food. If the crap was even halfway decent to eat, it would be bad. But there ain't a frickin' thing that's good for you. No, not really. Not a damn thing. And so they're pushing that shit out there. Let's watch the lights and clog the arteries, all right? Yeah, you're damn right. Anyway, ay. Right, help me, guy? Yeah, I know. Help us all. Oh my God. That's that bitch witch from Washington, D.C., Nancy Lugosi. Oh my God. I tell you. This place is driving me crazy. Boy, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let's listen to some cool shit, shall we? All right. Let's get some cool shit going. What do we got here for cool shit? Where's the cool shit? Okay. Alright. I said it's going to be local stuff that I have here on, this is the Looney Crooner. Chances are.
Chances are, 'cause I wear a silly grin the moment you come into view. Chances are you think that I'm in love with you. just because my composure sort of slips the moment that your lips meet mine. Chances are you think my heart's your valentine. In the magic of moonlight, when I sigh, hold me close, dear. Chances are you believe the stars that fill the skies are in my eyes. Guess you feel you'll always be the one and only one for me. And if you think you could, well, chances are your chances are awfully good. Chances are you believe the stars that fill the skies are in my eyes. Guess you feel you'll always be the one and only one for me. And if you think you could, well, chances are your chances are awfully good. The chances are your chances are awfully
Two times. That was the Looney Crooner. Yeah. Sing a Johnny Mathis song. You betcha. Alright. I'm going to be playing a, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. No, we can do this. Okay? We can do this. Hang on, guys. There we got some. Alright. Here we go. Yes, it was easy. You damn right it was. I kind of like that one. You betcha. What else we got going here? All right, let's go to yakety sax, baby. Hey, Fred and Barney, let's get the hell out of here, shall we? Let's diddy mow. There they go, Fred and Barney. Those boys can really motor if they want to, I'm telling you. Anyways, I'm going to play little snippets for you. I had Arnie Schwarzenegger. Arnie called into the show, well, I got a tape of the conversation. He wants to listen to, as big and as bad as Arnie is, Arnie likes to listen to the silly songs as we had as boomers growing up. Because I believe, Arnie a boomer. I'll have to check on that. But anyway, okay, here I got that little. The Captain Boomer. Yeah, Arnie. This is Arnie calling from Hollywood, California. Yes, can you play? I would like to listen to silly songs, please, if you don't mind. Well, sure, Arnie, I can do that for you. You know that. You're a friend of mine. I think I can play that for you. Oh, that'd be great, Captain, if you could play it for me. Maria, she loves it too. It's just great. We do our exercise together to those songs. Could you please play it for us now? I can, Arnie. I will. All right. Later, Arnie. Goodbye, Captain. Here we go. You don't tell Arnie no. Anyway, here you go. I'm just going to be playing maybe 4 or 5 of these tunes. Okay? Hang on, guys. Here we go. That's not the one. Okay. We'll get it. Oh yeah.
His name is my name too.
Oh yeah.
Whenever I go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That was easy.
Put your right foot in, you put your right foot out. You put your right foot in and you shake it all about.
You do the hokey pokey
And you turn yourself around.
That's
That's
what
what
it's all about. All right, jump in, baby.
Foot in, you put your left foot out. You put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out. You put your right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out. You put your left hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your rear end in, you put your rear end out. You put your rear end in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out. You put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Yeah, I can see doing morning stretches to that one. Right, guys? Yeah. I'm gonna try that. I think I could. I think I could work in a stretch routine with that hokey pokey song. Yeah.